morning, guys. I'm about to go get Zach and I Starbucks. I have a gift card left over from my birthday, and they're doing construction behind our house, so we're both just like really tired and definitely need the caffeine. So that's what I'm about to go do. Already pretty hot. It's 10:30 and it's 75 degrees out. I'm about to go get our drinks, and then today's plan is I work at 2, so I don't know, we might go grocery shopping before I have to leave for work because we haven't done that yet since we got back from being home last week. So probably go get groceries. Zach needs to go, sorry, you can hear the dresser clicking around, we haven't had time to bring it in yet. Zach needs to go to the DMV and get his license switched to Oregon so he can register the truck in Oregon. I need to figure out the situation with my insurance. I tried to call them and they wanted to pull my credit to verify my identity, which I'm just not okay with. That just seemed really weird to me. So I need to figure out that situation because I need to go to the doctor. What's it? Probably when I get off work, we'll probably reorganize our office because we had a bunch of stuff in the hall closet where the washer and dryer are that we had to take out and just throw in the office while our washer and dryer were being installed. So we need to find places to put all of that stuff. And yeah. Alright, so I got a venti green iced tea, half sweetened for me and with white ice. And for Zach, I just got him a white mocha. I just made us some scrambled eggs. Zach's gonna eat a yogurt, and I'm making some toast too. We've never used this toaster before, so I'm very annoyed right now because it keeps burning my toast. Please work. I had it on 2 and it didn't even toast it at all. Like, it didn't look toasty, it wasn't even feeling toasty. So then I put it on 4. It burnt it and it hadn't even popped up yet.
6 hours later.
Made some leftover pulled pork from when we went home at the rodeo barbecue, and zucchini. I got this from my manager. It came from her garden. Zachary ate most of his already. He's having a yogurt, and we're gonna watch Big Brother if it'll ever load. And Kitty is being crazy. He's trying to chase the reflection. If you watch Big Brother 2, comment below who your favorite house guest is, and also comment which house guest you wish would be evicted the most. What would you say?
Huh?
Who's your favorite house guest?
Thor.
Jack. And who
Rhymes
do you want?
with Zach.
Who do you want to be evicted?
The Asian girl.
Bella.
Yeah.
I kind of like her. Like, I did like her because I feel like she could play a smart game, like the way she was joining alliances with everyone, but then she went and blabbed and kind of ruined it for herself. So I feel like she was kind of dumb there, but yeah. Good morning, everyone. It's now the next day. A bit ironic. So since it gets so hot here during the day and Zach and I don't have air conditioning, we like to sleep with all of the doors and windows open. But like I mentioned yesterday, I think they're doing construction behind our bedroom, and they have this giant like generator thing literally right outside of our window. And so usually it wakes us up super early in the morning at like 7:30. We have to jump out of bed, close the window, and all that. So last night around 3 o'clock, I got up to go to the bathroom, so I closed the window because I was starting to get a little bit cold anyways. But then that way we wouldn't get woken up this morning because with the fan on, it pretty much covers up the sound.
Well, of course, the morning that, or the night that we closed the window, they're not being noisy. I have not heard them once. I don't see anyone back there. And it's just a little bit frustrating because it was super hot in our bedroom when I got up, just because the sun's on that side of the house, so it heats it up really fast, and we sleep with our door closed because otherwise the kitten thinks he can come in there and pounce on us all night long. So yeah, that's how this morning is going. I'm about to make some breakfast. Zach is still asleep. So it's like almost 9:30 now, so I'll probably make breakfast and go wake him up. Here is a mini grocery haul really quick. We didn't buy that much because we have 3 HelloFresh boxes coming on Monday. Today is Friday. And then we already have hamburger meat and some leftover tri-tip from the rodeo barbecue. So we just bought some bread, some hamburger buns, some carrots. These were a 3-pack, but I ate one. Oh, they're 4-pack. I ate one in the truck. Some barbecue sauce, cherries, strawberries, 2 boxes of basically the off-brand Special K with strawberries, and some dill pickles. This was all $18, which I think is pretty good because these are a really big pack of strawberries, and it's a pretty big pack of cherries, bigger than they normally are. So yeah. Now Zach is going to GameStop to trade in our Nintendo Switch for a PlayStation virtual reality set. So he's gonna go do that, and then when he gets back, we're going to the pool because it's 93 degrees outside and we don't have air conditioning and it's really hot. So yeah, gonna get some otter pops and go to the pool. Got a PlayStation VR. I think I told you guys he was trading in the Switch. So we're about to do an unboxing of it.
Here we go. I already cut the seal right here, so we'll just open it up. All right, take out the big box first. Big box, little box. Cat, here's a new toy.
You will definitely play in it. Also, ignore our laundry all over the floor.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna do the little box first and see what's inside. A lens cleaner, right here. Everybody's Golf. I'm probably gonna be doing a giveaway for this because I already own this on my PlayStation. I have to see if it's different though because of the VR or if it's basically the same thing.
So be sure to go follow him. I'll link his channel down below.
Got Blood and Truth. Is that the game we played on Brandon's VR?
I was just wondering that, like, the girl kind of looks like it, but I don't think it is because there's like cars.
Yeah.
It has like the National Geographic stuff in it.
Oh.
Oh, it has.
Oh, that's that game.
Is it? Yeah.
Nice.
Cool.
Colors. I know what it looks like. Uno más. Yeah. And cat toys. And now for the big guy. If I can get it off.
Was Brandon's like this, the full like headset?
Yeah.
For some reason I thought it was only like goggles.
I might need those directions.
Say that again.
I might need those directions. Okay, trash box.
So Zach and I were gonna go to the pool, and we got down there, and it's locked on the hottest day of the year, and it says the hours are 8 a.m. to dusk. It doesn't get dark for like 3 hours, so why is it locked on the nicest day of the year? So now, just chilling in my swimsuit while we watch Big Brother because it's 85 degrees in our house. Look at this, 85 degrees. This has not been sitting in the sun. It's been sitting right here in the corner all day long. Huh? Yeah, we have 4 fans going right now. 1 fan, 2 fan, 3 fans, 4, and Zach's got a giant pitcher of strawberry ice water. And I have my hydro flask, and we're watching Big Brother.
Alright guys, we just went to Walmart. I bought some limes and tortillas to make tacos with the leftover rodeo meat. And I also got a tripod, which I can't really show you guys right now because I'm holding it. But I'm super excited about it because all my other ones broke. We also got flea medicine for the cat. Well, flea spray and shampoo.
We have a bath.
We gave him a bath. He is so little and sorry, but you're not as cute.
He's shaking so
your
bad.
face is still cute, but
I think he's cold. He's shaking really bad.
probably because he's wet. He did not like his bath this time. We've given him like 2 or 3 other baths, and he was not a happy camper.
He says, guys, what are you doing to me?
Kitty!
He's so
What are you
ugly.
doing?
He's so ugly. This is how skinny his neck is.
You look like a drowned little rat.
Let me get some spray too.
But I think that's gonna be it for today's vlog. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Also be sure to check out Zach's channel. We have some fun videos coming soon for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.